9.3 Solving quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Identify the values of a, b, and c in quadratic equation. So if you have a quadratic equation like this, you have to identify how much the value for a, how much the value for b, and how much the value for c. Use quadratic formula to solve quadratic equation. The quadratic formula is as follows: x equal minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. Please write this down because this is the formula for the quadratic formula. Okay, so number 3, solve quadratic equation with one distinct solution. Distinct means unique solution. Okay. 4, solve quadratic equation with fractional coefficients. Fractional coefficient means it has fraction. Means a over b. Okay, I have 3 words here: quadratic formula, and we talked about quadratic formula. This one, standard form. What's a standard form? This is standard form. And what is constant? Constant is c, the value for c. Okay, so please use the right word in the correct sentence, our correct statement. Notes: remind students to put the equation in standard form before identifying a and b and c. That's correct. So it has to be like this: a x squared plus bx plus c equal 0. This has to be the standard form. That's how you do it. Many students reduce final answer incorrectly. They cancel the 4 with the 8. You cannot cancel the 4 with 8. Okay? Because there is plus and minus here. Some students prefer to always use a quadratic formula because it has no restriction on when it can be used. Encourage them to also master other methods, which are often quicker and easier to apply. Let's go for the first one. Solve each equation using the quadratic formula. Express radical in simplified form and answer in the lowest term. First, I have to look, is this in standard form? The answer is yes. How much is A? How much is B? How much is C? Then you apply the quadratic formula. How much is A? How much is B? B. How much is C? So 5 squared is how much? 25. 4 times 6? So -5 plus or minus what? Over 2. So your final answer will be what? -5 plus 1, how much? -4 over 2. -5 minus 1? -6 over 2. So this give you what? -2. And this give you -3. So your answer is -2, -3. Is this clear? Yes or no? I'm sorry, say again.
Check the answer. You put -3 -3. اليمين.
Yeah. This one?
Yes.
-2, -3. Okay.